guys, Maryann here. Welcome back to my channel. But yeah, if you want to know how my hair turn out like this and not ruining your hair, you don't use electric curling iron. And yeah, so if you have a lot of time on your hand before, you know, going to the party, you have a Christmas party to go, you have a birthday party to go, date with your husband or your boyfriend, this is just really easy. You don't have to, like, you know, you don't have to curl your hair with a electric one and then burn yourself. If you want to know how I did this, please keep on watching. Let's get it started, guys. This is the product. This is it. I got this long time ago, but Tommy got this for me because I told him to get it for me. But yeah, it's a sponge, a foamy kind of thing. So, and yeah, this is how you do it, guys. Look, hold on. This is how you do it. Look, and then you put your hair, wrap your hair around here, and then close it like this. So I just saw a lot of turkey walking in my backyard right now. But anyway, keep going. So this is good when you have time, when you're preparing yourself, when you wanna go and you have time. I like to do this when my hair is kind of wet. I just get out from the shower, and so let's get it started. Let's do this. This is not gonna ruin my hair, and I'm happy, and I can put this on my hair for like 30 minutes, and then let's see the result, and I will show it to you. So okay, let's get it started. And also, guys, I'm gonna use this. Okay, there's something bothers in my eyes, and yeah, so I don't know what's what it is. You hear the dog? That's because there's a lot of turkey walking around. Oh, stop it! I can't film right here. The two of you. Hey, I can't film. No. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, I'm gonna just ignore this dog because they won't stop, guys, or else I can't film here. So I'm just gonna do my hair just like that. I'm gonna cut it half. I'm just gonna leave some little bit here, and I'm going to wrap it here, around here. is really good when you have time on your hand before whatever you're going to do that day. But this is the safest thing to do to your hair if you don't want to ruin your hair. Yes, so now it's 12:06 and I will show you the result of it, guys. So it's 12:06, so that means I have to, I don't know until when I'm gonna stay, I'm gonna let it stay on my head. And yeah, so anyway guys, I will be right back, guys. Hi guys, I am back, guys, and it's already 12:28. So yeah, I just leave it for like 20 minutes something. So I'm not gonna let this stay long on my head, guys, because you know I don't want it to curly like this. But let's see how it looks like. So okay, 1 2 3 choose. So this is how the result, guys. You can style it, you can ponytail your hair halfway like that, and you can put something and let it like, you know, this is it says really CURLiNG styling essential foam rollers. This is a foam rollers, and you can just style it whatever you want. And yeah, it's easy, you're not gonna ruin your hair. You don't have to spray. Well, you can spray a little bit to let the hair stay longer, but because I'm here in the house, I'm not gonna spray it. I'm not gonna spray anything on my hair that stay longer. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and this is just a really simple video. I just want to share with you that if you really have time in your hand, you're not in a rush, you're not rushing anywhere. And also guys, I really thankful to all of you who subscribe my channel, to the people who did subscribe my channel, and also to you guys who watches my video. I really do appreciate it, and I really thankful from the bottom of my cute little heart. From the bottom of my cute little heart, thank you guys so much for watching, and always leave a comments down below. The other night I was reading your comments, guys. It's really touching, and yeah, it's really touching. You guys touching me, the dog is watching me. I really do appreciate it. Please, if you do like my video, please do a thumbs up, and please do the subscribe button if you like the video, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. To all of you guys, thank you, I really do appreciate it. Bye guys.